Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2016 66 Reg 420D M Sport Convertible. The vehicle is presented in mineral grey. It features the full YNC body enhancement package alongside some very nice BMW options. Being presented in the mineral grey, it's also got the very popular coral red leather interior, which makes a really nice colour combination. We've also added the 666 competition style alloy wheels in gloss black. They're brand new with brand new tyres, satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. As you can see, I've currently got the roof closed. I will be opening it up and showing you that all in action, and towards the end of the video showing you how the vehicle looks with the roof open. Front seats are heated and also have got the electric movement and memory. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. There is also a 2x2 Isofix rear seat arrangement with a central folding armrest and storage tray, and that's all been kept in really nice condition on this vehicle. Round towards the back of the car, we've once again gone for a gloss rear spoiler and matching rear diffuser. Now, on convertible vehicles, of course, on the hard top ones that is, all of the metal folding roof will fold into the boot space. Now that often can compromise your boot loading area. Not the story with the 4 Series. You've got a good amount of space in there. Even when the roof is folded away, it's not a problem. BMW give you this little switch here that'll allow you to partly lift the roof out of the storage tray, giving you access to your full boot space. Around at the driver's side now, once again, everything's lovely and clean and tidy. It's a really well looked after vehicle, and especially with this colour combination, a very nice looking one. Inside, we've got the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. It's got both cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. It's covered just over 87,000 miles, but despite the slightly higher mileage, it's still in a really great condition, as I'm hoping you've been able to see. So beginning with getting the roof folded down, it's as simple as pulling back this little switch, and it's really quick, really easy. Can be done at a speed of 15 miles an hour and below. So of course, should you get caught in a bit of a rain shower, not a problem. Professional wide navigation and media screen, of course, and we'll go through some of the standard features of that in just 1 second. Roof's folded away now. As you can hear about that little audible reminder, DAB, as well as a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including music collection, AUX and USB. In terms of the Bluetooth settings on this car, not only do we get the regular telephone and audio, the car's also been opted with the Apple CarPlay setting, which is really nice to have, of course. If we go back to the main menu, we'll go through and have a look at the vehicle service requirements and history. Next service isn't due for 11,000 miles time. Up at service history, there you can see it's been really well cared for, and its most recent visit to BMW was 79087. So last thing to do is just quickly show you around the car and finish off by saying we hope you've enjoyed this walk around. If you would like some more information on the vehicle, all you have to do is simply click on the links I'll leave for you in the description. With that roof folded down or up, they are a superb looking vehicle, and yet still a very practical one, being a hard top and still offering lots of space inside the car. So thank you once again. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.